Tokyo, a city where ancient temples stand next to futuristic skyscrapers and sushi bars buzz below neon-lit streets. In today's video, we'll explore the top 12 must-visit places in Tokyo that you simply can't miss in 2025. 1. Shibuya Crossing. Start your Tokyo journey at the Shibuya Crossing, often called the world's busiest pedestrian intersection. Every time the light turns green, it's a wave of motion, hundreds crossing in perfect chaos. 2. Tokyo Tower. Inspired by the Eiffel Tower, the Tokyo Tower offers breathtaking panoramic views. Standing 333 meters tall, it's a symbol of post-war rebirth and modern pride. It's even more magical after sunset when it's lit up in brilliant orange hues. 3. Ueno Park. Love cherry blossoms? Visit Ueno Park in late March or early April. This massive green space is home to over 1,000 sakura trees, several museums, and a zoo. 4. Akihabara. Gamers and anime lovers, welcome to Akihabara, the pop culture paradise. It's a tech-savvy district pulsing with energy and nostalgia. 5. Sensō-ji Temple. In Asakusa, step back in time at Sensō-ji, Tokyo's oldest Buddhist temple. Walk through the vibrant Nakamise street, lined with traditional snacks and souvenirs. Don't forget to snap a photo in front of the iconic red Thunder Gate. 6. Mount Fuji. Rising proudly at 3,676 meters, Mount Fuji is Japan's tallest and most sacred mountain, a natural icon recognized around the world. Mount Fuji isn't just a mountain, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a spiritual symbol in Shintoism. On clear days, you can see Mount Fuji from the observation deck. 7. Harajuku. Fashion lovers must visit Harajuku, Tokyo's capital of youth culture. This vibrant district is the global capital of street fashion, where trendsetters, influencers, and fashion rebels gather daily to turn sidewalks into catwalks. 8. Imperial Palace. The Imperial Palace, home to Japan's emperor, sits at the heart of Tokyo. Surrounded by beautiful gardens and historic moats, it's an oasis of peace. 9. Tokyo, Disneyland and Disney Sea. Just outside the city lies the magical world of Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea. 10. Toyosu Fish Market. Formerly Tsukiji, the Toyosu Market is Tokyo's new seafood hub. Watch the world-famous tuna auction or taste the freshest sushi of your life. 11. Odaiba. This futuristic island in Tokyo Bay is home to malls, museums, and robots. 12. Roppongi Hills. Finally, explore Roppongi Hills, a high-end district with art, luxury, and nightlife. The Mori Art Museum and Tokyo City View offer incredible skyline vistas. That wraps up our ultimate Tokyo travel guide for 2025. Which of these places is your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more city adventures from around the world.